question about an Infiniti FX45 2004. And the question is about the oxygen sensor meter circuit graph 1, sensor 2. And also misfire detected cylinder 2. So what it's actually saying is the oxygen sensor meter circuit have a malfunction. You need to find out what is actually wrong with it. You need to visit the technician, check the connector and check what is wrong with the oxygen sensor. The second one is about misfire of cylinder number 2. The same thing goes with the detection code. It's actually saying that cylinder number 2 has a misfire. You need to find out exactly what the problem is. It could be that the coil has a problem, the spark plug, or the injector. So all these need some prognosis to actually determine what the problem is.